here's how he cashed in.
On options action, it's how we afford our designer duds. Risk less so we can make more. And that's exactly what Mike did with his bullish bet on Ralph Lauren. Mike thought the retailer was looking très chic ahead of earnings, but just buying the stock?
But that's expensive.
You got that right. 100 shares of Ralph Lauren would set him back more than $11,000. So, to spend less, Mike instead bought the June 115 call for $5. Now, in order to make money, Mike needs the shares of Ralph Lauren to rise above that strike by more than the cost of the trade, or in this case, above $120 by June expiration. But spending $5 just to bet on Ralph Lauren?
As if.
This ain't Versace, Mike. So to cut costs, Mike then sold the June 125 call for $1.50 and reduced the cost of his trade to just $3.50. Now, to profit on this trade, Mike needs Ralph Lauren to rise above the strike that he bought by more than the $3.50 he spent on the trade, or above $118.50 by June expiration. But this is a show about risking less and making more. And Mike's style is known to be rather avant-garde. So to cut his costs down even more, Mike then sold the June 105 put for $1.50 and created his call spread risk reversal. By doing that, he did something that even the most fashion-forward icons can't do. He made making money even easier. Here's what we mean. Between the $5 he spent on buying that 115 call and the $1.50 he collected by selling the 125 call and the $1.50 he collected by selling that 105 put, Mike cut the total cost of his trade down to just $2. Now to make money, Mike just needs Ralph Lauren shares to rise above the $115 strike by the $2 he spent on the trade, or above $117 by June expiration.
That is so fetch.
But of course, with every fashion risk, there's a trade-off. And by selling that put, Mike's now obligated to buy Ralph Lauren shares at that strike price, even if it falls well below that level. But since the time of the trade, shares have rallied 16%, meaning Mike's trade is looking runway ready. And now, options fashionistas all over the world just want to know one thing. What will Mike do now?
Okay, Mike, how are you trading Ralph Lauren now?
Well, this trade, the most it could be worth is $10. It's worth about $9 now, so we definitely want to take the money and run. I want to make a very quick point, though. Had you just simply bought those 115 calls, it would have cost you $5, and they'd be worth about 22 now, a little over 4 times. We spent 2, this thing is now worth 9, a little over 4 times. So we increased our probability of success and still got a rate of return that would have been comparable to buying those calls outright if that was the trade we had done.
You were looking good on that catwalk, Mike.
Are you a stock or an options trader that is absolutely fed up with ordinary results? Are you ready for your breakthrough? I know how you feel because everywhere I turned throughout my trading journey, everywhere I looked how to produce phenomenal results within a short amount of time, everybody was telling me, no, it's not possible. It's not real. It cannot be done. So I got fed up. I discovered the 5 core fundamentals that helped me turn $12,000 into $466,814 in less than 7 hours trading options from my laptop. I know this probably sounds unrealistic to some of you, but the truth is I did it. I will share with you in this interactive video course specifically everything, every single detail, every action, every stock that was traded. As a matter of fact, I'm sending you my brokerage stake listing every trade that was taken that day. I realized one thing when I accomplished this is that I wish I had someone years ago when I was starting my trading journey and throughout my trading career that has shared these 5 core fundamental principles with me, because that would have saved me a lot of headache. That would literally save me a lot of heartaches, a lot of lost and suffered relationships. That would have saved me a lot of losses. That would have saved me a lot of time from discovering all these answers on my own. This is what you will be able to learn from this interactive video course. Secret number 1, discover the best stocks for trading options. Secret number 2, discover the top 3 best chart patterns for huge returns. Do you struggle with the decision, should I sell now or should I wait? And sometimes when you make a decision, do you see your profits vanish or do you drown in the when you get out of the position just because you see how much money you left on the table. Don't let this ever happen to you again. Secret number 3, discover the key to locking the gains. Secret number 4, knowing the trend will make you money. Discovering the TRO versus the trend will make you a fortune. Secret number 5, the holy grail of all secrets in trading. Timing. Can you only imagine if you knew specifically on which days to trade and on which days to go fishing and enjoy life? And the secret number 6, the truth behind of how to trade the news that will take all the guesswork out of the equation and will help you trade with great confidence and extremely high probability. Today's your day. Are you ready for your breakthrough? If so, simply find the link or the button below this video. Click it. Get a free PDF with more details. Life is too short. Don't waste another minute of it. Take action now.